Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to forward a naked domain and at the same time, how to set up your domain for your website. Well, very quickly, what we want to do here is go to my account, select on domains. From here, select the domain that you want to forward or edit, and then click on DNS. And then here you can see forwarding. So in the forwarding section, you can already forward your domain to any website. At the same time, you can connect or create your free social media subdomain. So you can have it either in Instagram, Facebook, Yelp, or Google. So this is uh very good platforms to start your domain. And then another thing is if you scroll down, there are recommended pages for you. Some of them have like discounted prices. So like this one, save 40% off. So it's very helpful, especially if you're just building your website. Now, with forwarding, you can forward either domain or to a subdomain. Like, for example, here, we want to forward it, let's say, to www.google.com. And then from there, you can either have it forwarding or forwarded masking. And then just click on save. And then that's it. And then afterwards, what you really want to do here is go to DNS records and make sure that all the C names or the C types are removed. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.